Hi everybody, on today's video we're going to talk about one simple little tool that will help you safely get on your roof. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you don't mind getting up on your own roof to do maintenance up there or just check things out, hang Christmas lights, whatever, I'm going to show you one little tool that makes that job a lot easier for you and a lot safer. Okay, this little thing right here, it's called the ladder's little helper, and you can see this black stuff right here. So it's got this rubber pad on it, and that's where your ladder sets on. So that helps keep your ladder from shifting back and forth, side to side. Also, if you're not set up on a real stable surface like a deck, especially a composite like a Trex deck, something like that, something slippery, then your ladder can actually slip out from underneath you when you get up to the top of it. This helps that from happening too. Underneath, let's see if I can get down underneath here. So underneath you can see there are some more rubber pads on the inside of this thing. Well, what that does is when you put this up on your gutter, those pads prevent your ladder from marking up the gutter. Also keeps this thing from sliding around on your gutter. Let me show you how it sets up. So you just put it on a telescoping pole, so that way if your eave is a little higher than normal, you can still get to it. And so all you do is just lift it up there. Now I'm going to purposely try to get this on a gutter hanger, so you can see how it's not sitting down flat. That's because there's a gutter hanger right there on that right side. You just move it over until you find a spot and it lays down nice and flush. Pop your pole out. That's hanging on the gutter nice. Then after you get your ladder extended, just drop it right down into there, so that way the sides of your ladder are in between the sides of the ladder helper on that rubber pad. Again, that helps stabilize it, keep it from slipping back and forth, keep it from slipping out from underneath you, and it also prevents the ladder from marking up the gutter. So I hope this little video has been helpful for you. If you've got any questions about roofing, roof repairs, roof replacements, any of that kind of stuff, give us a call right up here at our phone number, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here at homesteadroofingcolorado.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family, neighbors, doctor, veterinarian, garbage man, whoever. But also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see us make. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon up there, so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.